Alright, today let's begin with the hands-on for GitHub account. So GitHub account is basically our identity and home base for all repositories and collaboration, whatever we are seeing here, the popular repositories, right? So once when we are signed in, on the right hand corner or the right hand top, we have the profile, the icon here, right? So this page shows the repositories, our contributions and pin projects. So think of it like your public portfolio. Then we have one of the important things is the settings. Let's go in here. So here under the settings, we can update our name, the profile picture, the bio, right? Just like we update our social media, right? All these things. Then we have password and authentication where we can secure our account to make our account safe by two-factor authentication, right? With the account ready, we are set to create and manage repositories, collaborate with other and track our work. Thank you so much. Let's meet in our next lecture.